Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Today morning I have posted the forecast for Nifty during the budget week. Now we are going to discuss about the Bank Nifty forecast for the budget week. This is the high beta counter of Indian markets. If you ask about 10 traders, out of 10, 9 would say he or she will trade in Bank Nifty. I mean to say regularly. Only there will be a 1% who will be saying I will trade both in Bank Nifty and Nifty. All the remaining people will say I used to trade in Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty. So for this, I have opened the Bank Nifty chart on daily time frame. I have drawn couple of lines, the resistance part alone, not drawn the support areas. For the support line, I have taken the line which is drawn at the bottom of the rising wedge. I mean to say this particular line, this particular pattern, this cross line and this particular cross line. This particular pattern is called as rising wedge in markets. As long as this support holds, this particular downside trend line holds, Bank Nifty is going to move up and touch this top line. And to add on, see what happened during last year, the similar kind of setup which we have seen in Nifty as well. In 3 days after budget, Bank Nifty surged about 4,000 points. Look at the close of previous day on budget, before budget, 30,565. Just see what happened in next 3 days, 34,750. So almost a 4,500 point jump in just 3 days time. So now can we expect this kind of move? Yes, why not? That will be my answer. Along with this, I am just seeing one inverse head and shoulder pattern in Bank Nifty as well. See over here, one shoulder, head, and then another shoulder. If he is going to complete this head and shoulder pattern, he is supposed to come and touch this particular level. So what is that level? 40, let me see here. Yeah, 40,160 is the exact level. Here in the charts, I am not able to mark the exact levels correctly. So if you go and see here, the exact level will be 40,160. This is the place where we can see Bank Nifty testing post budget if the budget is good as per our expectation. So don't want to discuss more about Bank Nifty because we have discussed enough on Nifty. Same kind of move is going to happen, resemblance of in Bank Nifty as well, like what happened in last year. So last year we have seen 4,000 point move. This year I am suggesting only 2,500 point move, 2,500 point move. Why? Because we have already rallied. In fact, if you see Nifty charts and Bank Nifty charts, Bank Nifty charts is far better. We have seen it during last couple of days. Bank Nifty is always outperforming Nifty every day, except 1 or 2 days. All the other days, Bank Nifty is outperforming Nifty, even though Nifty has performed well earlier. Now Bank Nifty is showing its performance. So as per my expectation, this racing wedge, the upper end, and the correlation of this particular area wherein the inverse head and shoulder patterns ends will be the initial target. I mean to this 40,160 odd levels will be the initial target. Probably it may happen even on the budget day itself. I mean to say in one day. If Bank Nifty is having a close of maybe 500-600 points in green on Monday, probably on Tuesday after budget itself we will be able to test this level. I am saying till expiry day we may see. It may also take time if things are not well, but I assume that things will be well this time. It might not be people friendly budget, but it will be like market friendly budget. I'm speaking about the common people here, not the real traders who are inside the market. So market people want something good out of this budget, and it will be done by the finance minister most probably. What will be the next target? All time high. If my guess is correct, this time Bank Nifty will reach its all time high before Nifty. 18,604.45 was the high of Nifty as of now. Bank Nifty's all time high is 41,830, 829. Okay. If my guess is correct, this is going to happen. Say about one day before Nifty hitting the high, Bank Nifty might hit. That might happen. But all these are expected moves based on the condition that budget is market friendly. So based on this, what we can trade? I found it very hard to pick a suggestion for Bank Nifty. In fact, already we have taken it on Friday itself. 39,000 call we have taken somewhere around. My suggestion was to take between 225 to 250. I'm not sure whether I have given that in free group or not, but I have given in our premium call segment. Considering the gap up opening which is expected on Monday, probably you might not get that 39,000 call at 250 levels or below that. However, if there is a chance of dip in between the day or during end of the day, and if you are seeing between 240 to 270 280 itself, try to take a risk. The risk will be somewhere near 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. Why I am suggesting to take a risk is this is a one time opportunity which you will get only once in a year. Of late we are going to take a risk only for one time in this year of 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, or else our risk will be somewhere like 3,000 to 4,000 rupees every week. But it is worth taking. Just assume that you are taking 39,000 calls somewhere near 280 itself, and think what will happen, what will be the price of it if it reaches the first target of 40,150. Your premium will be from 300 to it will be 2,200. So your returns will be 3x minimum. So there is nothing wrong in trying this as far as I am concerned. If you are not comfortable, don't trade it. And don't go for any calls beyond 39,000. Say for example, you might be in a position to take a risk of like 100 points, and then you can go and take 39,500 call or 39,800 call. Likewise, don't take anything. Either play anything between 39,000 call or don't play in Bank Nifty. Better avoid this and take position only in Nifty alone. And to add on to this, I will give you one bumper call if you are in a position to take a risk of 12,500 rupees or 13,000 rupees. It will be a bumper, and if it works, I bet throughout the year you will not make better profits like this call. I bet if it works. But if it goes for a toss, then you are losing 12,500 rupees. Bajaj Finance 7,500 call. Last close is 102 rupees. If you get between 110, maybe if market is opening flat, or whatever situation may be, if Bajaj Finance is opening flat, you may get it somewhere between 90 to 100, 120 odd levels. Once again reiterating, if you are ready to take a risk of 13,000 rupees, just try this call. Once again saying, this will be a bumper call if it works. My target is 600 rupees. You will never make 50,000 rupees profit in one call throughout the year, I bet, by trading one lot. You may be making it by trading in 10 lots, 50 lots, 100 lots of Bank Nifty. But I am damn sure that you will not make 50,000 rupees profit in one call. If budget is as per my expectation, Bajaj Finance will be the first stock to hit new all-time high. 8,050 is the earlier all-time high. Current market price is somewhere near 6,900 odd rupees. If this works, it will be a bumper call. I am damn sure about it. And if you trade and if you make money out of this call, just keep updating me the worthiness of the call. So again reiterating, it will be a hero or zero kind of call. Only if you are willing to take a risk of 13,000 rupees, you can take it, or else don't ever take it. It is a high beta one. It is the gem of Indian markets. My success ratio of delivering in Bajaj Finance call is more than 95%. Out of the 20 calls which I give in Bajaj Finance, I have failed only once. The remaining 19 times I will succeed. Whatever the target which I give, it will hit in Bajaj Finance. That is my market reading about Bajaj Finance especially. And you might have already seen my highly simplest kind of a Bajaj Finance, analysis in Bajaj Finance, wherein I have said that if the stocks drops by 20% in a year, just blindly buy and keep it, it will deliver you 25% returns within 1 year time. The stock already cracked 19.5%, 19.5 or 19.75% from its earlier high of 8050, and then tried to punch a new high where it failed. 8,045 is the recent high which it has made. Go back and check the daily charts of Bajaj Finance, you will be able to find it. The stock has a wonderful history of delivering 25% returns of of its price, whatever it may be, every year for the last 15 years in Indian markets. This is the only stock which has delivered 25% returns every year. Every year it will give a dip of 20%, and every year it will raise by 25% from there. This is history, and this is my market reading about Bajaj Finance. If all is well, I am damn sure he will be the first stock to hit, out of the Nifty 50 stocks I am saying, he will be the first stock to hit a new 52-week, not even 52-week, new all-time high in markets. whoever is ready to play, having guts, take this position. Else, stay away from him. He will be a wild animal. Okay, guys, we are done with the Bank Nifty analysis, and I have given two different calls, one in Bank Nifty and one in Bajaj Finance, which is expected to be a bumper call if our expectations in budget are fulfilled. Once again, I will add on our Telegram links in the description of this video. Keep watching our videos. If you find it is worth and it can be shared to your friends who are interested in markets, please do share them. Let them also get benefited out of our reviews. Have a good day. Bye all. See you again after 1 week post budget, and we will try to have a short video if possible about the outcome of the calls which we have given. See you all. Bye.